Hello everyone, my name is Chioma and welcome to my channel and the review video of Octagon. Octagon is an app produced by Akin Tunde and Jake. So Octagon is an app that helps you generate $276 per day on autopilot using their automated done-for-you Clickbank and WarriorPlus affiliate review sites. So guys, before I go any further, kindly click the bell icon for notification, leave a comment, click the like, share, subscribe button down below. And as usual guys, don't forget that I shall be adding my 5 bonuses as well today. So I'll take you guys to the sales page. Let's see what these guys are saying about Octagon. So this is the sales page, and they have already told us that with the automated done for you that you can make $276 per day, and these are some of the benefits of using Octagon. Says it's 100% cloud-based, no installation required. But guys, don't forget, if this sounds like something you like, stick with me as I'll go into details whilst also giving you a full demo of how this app works. But don't forget to click on the link that is in the description box below. That takes you to my page, the bonus page. But in a minute, I shall show you the bonus page. Let's first of all talk about the benefits. So like I was saying earlier about the benefits, so it's 100% done for you affiliate sites. And then you have, even if you are not tech savvy, 0 technical skills needed. That's what they are promising. And it works anywhere across the world. You can create unlimited campaigns, 100% done for you, giveaways, free traffic training included. And then it also has a complete system with no monthly fees. So it's proven and battle tested. So these are the benefits that these guys are saying that you get by purchasing this software. Okay, now all you need to do is just follow the 3 simple steps, which is activate. By activating means you grabbing a copy or purchasing a copy of Octagon, and then you deploy it. Deploying means you have to insert your affiliate link, turn on the traffic to swarm your campaigns with hungry buyers, and then the third step, basically you start making your profit. Okay guys, we've talked about the 3 steps needed, the benefits, and okay, these are the 2 guys that actually made this app, this software, Akin Tunde and Jake. So let's see what some of the users of this app are saying. So this is Linda Van Tassel. Linda is saying she is as a 70 years old senior learning affiliate / digital marketing. I found this wonderful software easy to follow. Akin Tunde, the creator of this traffic funnel, is soft-spoken, patient, and clearly gives us instructions for videos to follow. I especially like that Octagon, like that Octagon can track leads with your autoresponder as well, allowing you to add your bonuses to campaigns. Akin's detailed instructions on how to use Quora is priceless, as well as the 5 bonuses given to use. If I can do this as a senior, you can too. This is what Linda is saying about the use of this app. Okay guys, now we have seen just a little bit from the sales page. I'll take you guys now to my these are the features of this Octagon. So you swipe all our campaigns in one click. That is by cloning. You list building and export, done for you, premium bonuses and lead magnets. And yeah, we've talked about the benefits. Okay guys, I'll take you all to the bonuses that I shall be adding today. Don't forget to click on the link that is in the description box below. It takes you to my bonus page, guys. I shall be adding 5 bonuses today as usual. So let's just go for it. So the first bonus is worth $427.95. So basically you have access to Jono's YouTube ads course. And let's give a shout out to Jono for making these bonuses available for us today. A round of applause to Jono. I'm strong. So the second bonus is worth $46.95, and you have, or you learn, you get a high quality tutorial learn how to master Clickbank. The third one is $344.05, and you have a hack that you can, or you legally use others, on how you can legally use others' videos. The fourth one is $267, and you learn how to make an email capture. While the fifth one, which is worth $297, basically you have access to all vendor bonuses, guys. So all you need to do is to click on the link that is in the description box below. It brings you to this page, and then if you're signed in through WarriorPlus, all you need to do is to click on this blue button right here. Click on it, and all where it says access affiliate bonus, all my bonuses shall be added. If it is through JVZoo, where the red arrow is pointing, the box right there, click on it, and then my bonuses shall be added. Okay, guys, now we've talked about the bonuses. Let's go over the prizes and the upsells. So with just the front end, which is worth $17, my bonuses shall be added, guys. So basically you have access to the software as well as the training models just with $17. And then if you upgrade the upsell one, which is the Octagon Pro, is $27. So you get access to 8 extra Clickbank product review campaigns for maximum traffic and sales. Upsell 2, which is the done for you turbo campaigns, is $97. So you get sent 2 times done for you campaigns each and every week. The third upsell, which is the Octagon Launchpad, they call the agency, is $197. So you get to launch Octagon as your own product. And then the fourth upsell, which is Octagon Reseller, basically you enjoy commissions. You have the right to sell Octagon and make profits 100% for yourself. Okay, now we've talked about the prizes, the upsells, and then the bonuses. Guys, I'm going to take you guys to the to the demo video so that you can see how this app really works. But don't forget to click on the link that is in the description box below. It takes you to my bonus page, guys, and from there you can access all the bonuses. Okay, so this is the this is the dashboard. So from here you access the done for you campaigns, and then the pages viewed, or total number of clicks, then your own campaigns, the ones you made, which is this red one right here, and then you also see the total subscribers, the total leads. And then if you click on the profile, actually that's the first thing you do once you log in. You want to come over here and then put all the information, your JV affiliate link and all that, and then the website, and then choose profile. Just set it up the way you want it, and then you save it. Okay, and then you go to the done for you campaigns, like I've already shown you from the dashboard. So basically what you're seeing here, all these buttons right here, you can as well access through the dashboard, guys. So basically you're looking at the products, the links, so you can copy and do whatever you want to do with them. And then this is the done for you campaigns too. This has to do maybe with your affiliate campaign, so depending on how you set yours up. And then this is the done for you funnels, guys. The done for you funnels as well as the campaigns. So you already have templates that you can use right here. And then the lists, the number of people that's checked out your website, and then the banners that you can also use, guys, basically. And then this is the bonuses that they have here. They have added 5 bonuses for you as well. So with bonus 1, you create your own WordPress website. Bonus 2, you make money on Fiverr. Bonus 3, Clickbank marketing secrets. Bonus 4, you have 3 free traffic sources on Drive targeted visitors to your affiliate offers. And then bonus 5, exclusive mastermind Facebook group. And then you can go and click on the training, and then you have access to all his videos, all his tutorials, guys. So there isn't much here. I think it's that simple to use, even if you're not that tech savvy. Okay, guys, I have shown you a demo of how this app works, I have shown you my bonuses, I've shown you the sales page. And guys, don't forget to click on that link that is in the description box below, because it takes you to my sales page. From my sales page, then you can access the 5 bonuses that I have added. So that is it from me to you today, guys. Thank you for sticking with me. Thank you for watching, and thank you also for subscribing to my channel. Thank you for the likes, thank you for the views, guys, and I will see you in my next video. Please do stay safe. Thanks, and have a great day. Bye.